Some rubbers are rugged, some are soft. But when an application demands purity, precision, and perfection, the answer is L.s.r. Liquid silicone rubber is the advanced evolution of silicone, engineered for speed, accuracy, and absolute cleanliness. It shares the same siloxane backbone as solid VMQ, offering outstanding thermal and chemical resistance. But what sets L.s.r. apart is how it's processed. It begins as a two-part liquid system, Part A and Part B, stored in separate containers. Pumped through a metering system, they're mixed in a precise ratio and injected directly into a closed, heated mold. No preforms, no manual loading, just a clean, automated, fully enclosed process. Inside the mold, the addition cure chemistry, driven by a platinum catalyst, works fast. L.s.r. cross-links rapidly, often requiring little or no post-curing. And with minimal or no flash to remove, the part is ejected clean, finished, and ready to use. That precision makes L.s.r. the material of choice for critical, flawless components. You'll find it in medical and healthcare products such as implants, baby care items, and respiratory devices. It's also used in consumer technology, in wearables, hearing aids, and electronic gaskets, as well as in optical and industrial applications like lighting seals, lenses, and other high-purity systems. L.s.r. performs across extremes, from cryogenic lows near minus 60 degrees Celsius to continuous service above 200 degrees Celsius. It resists oxygen, ozone, sterilization processes, and moisture. It doesn't leach, outgas, stain, or contaminate. Medical grades are certified for prolonged skin contact and even for use inside the human body. But L.s.r. isn't perfect. Its tear strength is generally lower than that of many other elastomers. It isn't designed for abrasion or high-friction wear. Its platinum-catalyzed curing system is sensitive and can be inhibited by traces of sulfur, amines, organotin compounds, or certain metals. And it requires specialized tooling and equipment at a higher cost than traditional rubber molding. Still, when manufacturing becomes micro-engineering, when precision, purity, and repeatability matter above all else, L.s.r. is unmatched.